Now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. We continue with a running spin turn, which consists of first 3 steps of natural turn, natural pivot and open natural turn. Then we dance running finish to promenade position. From here we dance quick open reverse, notice man's heel lead 2 times, then tumble turn, compact version, and left whisk. Here we continue with syncopated timing into Rudolph Ronde, and we finish with Fallaway natural turn ending. Very good. Let's look once again. And this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall. We start with preparation movement. And we continue diagonally to wall with first bar of running spin turn. Second bar goes down line of dance around a corner. Running finish down new line of dance, and then from promenade position we move diagonally to center with quick open reverse turn. Then down line of dance with tumble turn, and also down line of dance with left whisk. Now Rudolph Ronde goes against line of dance, and down line of dance we finish with Fallaway natural turn, which we end diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.